Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. We come back another video. This is a Lenovo laptop and this is the USB type C USB port charger. You can see this is Lenovo charger and this laptop is not working. I thought this charging port is damaged, so now I will open and fix this problem. So first I check the charger have voltage. You can see here is the 19 20 volt. This Lenovo all the 20 volt. So charger is okay, but charging port is damaged. So now I'll open and check. So now I have to remove the battery, and here is have screw. I have to remove all this screw and remove the back part. First we need a star screwdriver to remove this screw. So at first I remove this screw and come back. Okay, I have to remove all the screw and I have to remove this part first. And here have to remove the hard disk, also the antenna connection, and remove here is the screw and remove DVD. So here also I remove the DVD first. And also the hard disk to remove. To remove hard disk and remove this antenna Wi-Fi connection. And here I have to check the keyboard. Remove keyboard also. Have to remove keyboard. You need indicator or plastic like this. Now remove keyboard. Okay, now have to remove keyboard. So now I will remove the back part. This laptop is broken, the display hints, see. So have to check here have any screw. After remove everything, we have to remove this first part, and you can see here is the charging socket. So this socket had problem. You can see this wire is disconnected. This two wire, one is negative, one is positive. These two wire I have to reconnect and then it will be work, I hope. So now I will open this and reconnect the wire. First now I have to remove this old cable. Okay, this is the negative and the middle one is positive, so I have to connect again this wire. Now I have to soldering this connection. So first is black, then I have to connect one red, then middle one is the white, then red, then black. So first I solder this cable because this all cable is disconnect. You can see only one cable have connected. This is black one. So I just re-soldering all the cable and it will be work inshallah. First one I have to connect this red one, and then I have to connect the white one, and then I connect this red one again. And at last I connect the black one. Okay guys, now my connection is done, so I have to return this plastic. This is for safety, and I have to just hit with the lighter and it will be fixed. See, this way I have to make plastic tight. Now I will connect and it will be work perfectly. So let's go. So guys, see, I have to connect it this wire, and now I will check charging socket is working. Inshallah it will be work. And now I have to connect it the power key and check it was work. You can see guys, this laptop is working now, and without hard disk. That's why here is coming message checking media. So now I will reconnect everything and come back. So guys, now I will return the fan and all the parts here. So let's go. First I return back the hard disk and have 3 screw here, and here is the DVD, and also I have the fan. The fan need to clean. You can see the fan is very dirty, so now I have to clean and come back. Now I have to clean the fan, you can see, and return back. Here is 3 screw, so I will return back the fan and all the screw I will return back and come back again. Okay guys, I have to return all the screw, the slim screw inside and the big screw outside. So now I will return back this part. Okay, and just push, and now I will return back all the screw here. Okay guys, all complete. Now check, and again I have it working perfectly. See guys, this laptop is working now perfectly. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video and hit the bell icon.